Could be this is the hardest moment for a pilot, like leaving his kids home and he's going for a flight. It's a proud thing to work with an airline as an Emirates, and especially doing an over flight to Kuwait, which is an Arabic destination. The 380, it's one of the premium aircrafts we have in this airline.
380 is my favorite aircraft. It's a very special aircraft. It has a lot of space, privacy for the customers, space for crew to work. I love it.
Afternoon, guys. Welcome you to our inaugural Kuwait on a 380. Yeah? You must be all excited.
As we disclose our doors for departure, may I ask you please to turn off your mobile phones and ensure my switched off.
Today we're operating the world's shortest A380 flight to Kuwait. It's 1 hour 45 minutes. It's challenging the amount of time that we have to go through to do the service. If you see around, you see everyone's busy. We have basically 20 minutes to deliver the best in-flight experience.
Today we are launching the 380 to Kuwait. We are very excited. At the same time, we are celebrating the 25th anniversary of our operation to Kuwait.